How to open semicolon delimited CSV files in a version of Excel. When I double-click on a CSV file, it is opened in Excel. The CSV files have columns delimited with semicolons, not commas, but also a valid format. Using a German Windows/Excel setup, the open file is displayed correctly. The columns are separated where the semicolons existed in the CSV file. But when I do the same on an English Windows/Excel setup, only one column is imported, showing the whole data including the semicolons in the first column. I don't have an English setup available for tests. Users have reported the behavior. I tried to change the list separator value in Windows regional settings, but that didn't change anything. What can I do to be able to double-click open those CSV files on an English setup? Edit. It seems to be the best solution not to rely on CSV files in this case. I was hoping that there is some formatting for CSV files that makes it possible to use them internationally. The best solution seems that I'll switch to creating XLS files.
Add this on the first line of the CSV file. Or this will override system setting, list separator character, and Excel will open the file correctly.
You can use the text import wizard. This does not work on a double-click open, but is the best I can come up with that doesn't involve messing with language settings. In Excel 2003, go to Data, Import External Data, Import Data, on the menu bar. Can't say where it is on 2007. I don't have that to hand at the moment. Find and select your CSV file. When it opens, you get the Text Import Wizard, which allows you to specify the delimiters to use.
See this article. Trouble with opening CSV files with Excel? The comma and semicolon issue in Excel due to regional settings for Europe. Which offers 3 solutions. Change the CSV file extension to text. When you open a text file with Excel, it will start the text file import wizard where you can choose the delimiter. Replace all with in your CSV files. Change your regional and language settings. As you have only changed the list separator value in Windows regional settings, I note that the article says to enter 4 decimal symbol and 4 list separator. If you feel comfortable with VA, then C. Opening semicolon delimited CSV file with VA in Excel 2000. Exporting and import text with Excel.